Polestar concept. You might have seen several idea model cars and bikes. However, only a few designers transcend that to boost the remainder of the automotive sector. Polestar OnTour could be an idea trailer that's straight out of the future. It was born out of the requirement to load and unload many convenient methods in larger trailers or trucks. And trailers in general additionally required aesthetic makeover. Therefore, the team was on to creating the practically higher. They additionally created the shape 10 times a lot of relaxed than the standard trailer that one tends to see on the road, and it's nothing like every automotive form seen around. This abstract Polestar could be a 10-wheeler standard trailer that may work the various wants of various industries. It comes with small, tall instrumentation, medium instrumentation, and a construction setup too. The versatile trailer ring makes it simple to load or unload payload and additionally modification out containers. The sloping widescreen is some things that stand except the stereotypical trailers one tends to see. It adores it glides on the route. Although it's rectangular, forward-leaning form will lower the speed. Polestar Wheel will utilize its versatile containers to transport mass shipments in crisis or perhaps works as an everyday warehouse truck. The design of the Polestar is smooth and bent. However, the sides are rounded off. It makes it look less sort of sharp. Evil instrumentation on wheels and many sorts of an art movement tour bus. Whereas Polestar continues to be an abstract trailer, it resembles several modern electrical automotive vehicles, and it'd be sensible to own a sizable electrical trailer.
If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.